The life of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, founder of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, later honored as Quaid-e-Azam, the Great Leader, was born on December 25, 1876, in Karachi. From a young age, he stood out for his discipline, intelligence, and confidence. After early schooling in Karachi and Bombay, he traveled to London to study law at Lincoln's Inn. When he returned to India as a young barrister, few could imagine that he would one day lead a movement that reshaped the map of the world. Jinnah, the lawyer and politician Jinnah, began his career as a highly respected lawyer, calm, sharp-minded, and known for his ability to argue with logic rather than emotion. In politics, he joined the Indian National Congress in 1906 and worked for Hindu-Muslim unity. At this stage, he believed both communities could fight side by side for freedom from British rule. In 1913, he also joined the All India Muslim League. For years, he tried to keep India united, but as political tensions grew and Muslims felt increasingly marginalized, Jinnah became convinced that Muslims needed a separate political voice. The turning point. By the 1930s, conditions in British India changed. Muslims feared that after independence, a Hindu-dominated government would not protect their rights. Jinnah, once called the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity, now stood as the strongest advocate for Muslim rights. On March 23, 1940, at Lahore, the Muslim League passed the Pakistan Resolution, demanding a separate homeland for Muslims. From that day, Jinnah led the struggle with determination, strategy, and unmatched political skill. Journey to Pakistan. Despite enormous pressure from British leaders and the Indian National Congress, Jinnah did not back down. He negotiated tirelessly, rejected unfair plans, and united Muslims across India. His strength was not in violence or rebellion. It was in law, logic, speeches, and sheer willpower. Finally, on August 14, 1947, the dream became reality. Pakistan was born, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah became its first Governor-General. Final years, Jinnah worked day and night to build a new nation, setting up government institutions, protecting refugees, and addressing economic challenges. But years of struggle had weakened his health. Just over a year after independence, on September 11, 1948, he passed away in Karachi. Legacy Muhammad Ali Jinnah is remembered as the father of the nation, a leader of principle, democracy, and justice, a man who used law, not violence, to win freedom, the driving force behind one of the most historic political movements of the 20th century. His vision of Pakistan was of a country where all citizens, Muslims and non-Muslims, would have equal rights, justice, and freedom. Why he stands out. He transformed a scattered minority into a united nation. He defeated huge political forces through diplomacy and intellect. He proved that leadership is not about power, but dignity and determination,